Let me show you how to make this low-carb buffalo chicken casserole. Let's get into it. These are the 7 simple ingredients that you will need. 2 large bags of cauliflower rice, 1 block of cream cheese softened, 8 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1.5 pounds of diced rotisserie chicken, 8 ounces of crumbled blue cheese, save that for the end, 1/2 cup of buffalo or hot sauce, and chopped green onion to garnish. Start out by adding 1 bag of your uncooked riced cauliflower to a mixing bowl. Then you're going to add 1.5 pounds of diced rotisserie chicken, 1/2 cup of hot sauce, or you could use buffalo sauce as well, 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese. Let it sit out for a little bit. Then you're going to mix this very well. Add 6 ounces of the shredded cheddar cheese, saving a little bit to sprinkle over the top in the end. Then you're going to add your second bag of uncooked cauliflower rice. Make sure that you mix this well. Take enough time to incorporate all the ingredients so when you bake it in the oven, it's evenly distributed. Next, you're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You're going to put some cooking spray in a 9x13 Pyrex dish. Wow, I need some more cooking spray, it looks like. Pour this mixture into your 13x9 cooking pan. Spread it out evenly. Once you spread out the mixture evenly, you're going to pour the remaining shredded cheddar cheese on top. Be generous with this. Cover it lightly with aluminum foil and place in your 375 degree preheated oven. We're going to cook this for 25 minutes total. After the 25 minutes is up, go ahead and remove the aluminum foil. You're going to set your timer for an additional 10 minutes. And we're going to let it brown a little bit. After 10 minutes, this is what it's going to look like. Nice and brown. We're going to add our crumbled blue cheese to the top after we take it out of the oven. Look how amazing this is starting to come together. You can add a few drops of hot sauce or buffalo sauce, either one. Add a little bit of that chopped green onions for garnish. Now this buffalo chicken casserole makes a great side dish for any entree that you're serving, whether it is chicken, it is beef, or fish. So it turned out delicious. Look how amazing that this looks. This is how the final product came out. Again, looking back at it, I probably would put more shredded chicken in it, but we can plate this up and it tasted delicious. So I would like you to try my recipe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Hey, and also if you enjoy these videos and like to see many more, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now these low carb meals are easy to make. I have over 60 videos out there for you to watch. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and we'll see you next time on GG Cooks Healthy Meals. I'm going to leave some video suggestions here. Make sure you click on some of these and check out some of my videos. Do me a favor, tell a friend, help my channel grow, enjoy my videos, lose weight and look great with these healthy meals, low carb, keto friendly, and delicious for the entire family. So click on these links here for some suggested videos. We'll see you next time.